Sorry if it sounds like I'm losing my voice, because it pretty much is the case. I'm trying to get over whatever illness I have. I don't know what I have. In today's video, we're going to take my new to me C63 over to AutoWorks, and we're going to be doing an oil change. And I'm also going to be coming back here and I'm going to be installing the ROW airboxes. They're also known as the rest of world airboxes. As for right now, let's just head over to AutoWorks and do this oil change. So the oil that I got is the LiquiMoly 5W40. I got the Ceratec right there. A lot of people recommended for me to put that in there. And I also have the oil filter, which is over there. But if you want to get any of the stuff, I will put a link in the description. And I also got the rest of world airboxes and the AFE drop-in filters from FCP Euro as well. So we got the oil in, oil filter is back on, and the cap is back on. We're gonna go ahead and start it and check the oil to see if we need to add any more, and we'll go from there. All right, so oil was just checked, good to go, right on the money. I'm gonna fill up the washer fluid because that is low. So it's currently the next day. There was not enough daylight yesterday for me to swap over the filters, so I didn't do it yesterday. I'm gonna go ahead and do it today. I got the filters right here. Like I said, I got these from FCP Euro. And these are the OEM ones, in case you were wondering. Now, there was a few people saying that they do notice a difference with the rest of the world airboxes. So I'm letting the car warm up right now, just so I can get like some revving videos for you guys. So I have no one complaining in the comments that I did not put them in. So I don't think there will be a noticeable noise change, but you know, there's gonna be people out there that will wanna hear it. So I will do that. So I just pulled the intakes off, and these were the filters that are in these intakes. So this is what makes them restrictive, and this is for only the US-spec models. For some reason, the United States requires them to have this inlay to fit these filters, and these filters go over top. The rest of the world air filters do not have that. These are the AFE drop-in filters, and as you can see, with these rest of the world intakes, they do not have that extra plastic in here to compensate for that extra filter that goes in here. So you're increasing the airflow through these intakes by doing the simple modification on US-spec cars. only 5 T25 screws on each side, and then there's 2 hose clamps, and then obviously the mass airflow sensors that you would have to unplug. So yeah, as you can see, it is a very simple install. A lot of people said that there's a horsepower gain. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to really feel it. And as far as seeing what it sounds like, I'm gonna put the before and I'm gonna put the after clips right next to each other. Go ahead and leave a comment below if you do think it does sound different. So there was the video clips. Like I said, tell me what you guys think in the comments below. But that will do it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video.